Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and opening settings. This avoids interruptions later. Go straight to Settings, then tap the search field and enter Lock Screen so you land on the right page quickly. Make sure a fingerprint, PIN, or password is set up or available. The system often asks for verification before changing lock options. Once done, you'll see Lock Screen Settings. Note whether MIUI version shows advanced options, because that changes what follows. Now choose the specific lock type and configure it precisely. Tap Screen Lock and pick PIN, password, or pattern. Choose PIN for speed, password for strength. Follow the prompts, enter the code twice to confirm, and you'll see timeout settings. Pick a short timeout if you want immediate locking. If you prefer biometric access, enable fingerprint or face unlock and enroll each fingerprint slowly so the sensor captures multiple angles. Make sure to finish by tailoring lock behavior and testing it right away. Set auto lock delay to when the phone should secure itself, choose whether notifications show on the lock screen, and add owner info if needed. Lock the screen, then wake it to confirm the new method works. If it doesn't, reboot first, then clear settings cache or check MIUI updates because software bugs often block changes. If problems persist, back up data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. That usually resolves deep configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.